Personality by Whitney Pollock for PSY 600. Not one human is the same as the next human. Humans have many traits that make them who they are. It is argued whether these traits are temporary or permanent. There are a wide variety of traits that include being pessimistic to optimistic, hardworking to lazy, and sincere to insidious. These traits are what a personality is made of. The theory of motivation was authored by A.H. Maslow. The theory is surrounded by an individual accomplishing a goal by means necessary, needs that must be met for this individual. Maslow describes man as wanting animal driven to be satisfied. This sounds ever so fitting for a person such as Philip Markoff. Its moral imperative, be yourself, is either the materialistic fiat of genetic drives or the voluntaristic command of unbridled will. Philip Markoff was a medical student at Boston University, but that was only one part of his life. He was described as intelligent and hardworking. He finished college within 3 years. Markoff had a secret, a dark side of himself. He is also known as the Craigslist killer. From the standpoint of Maslow's theory of motivation, Markoff's motivation for killing women is apparent. According to Maslow's theory, individuals must have their needs satisfied. Markoff's needs were dark, demonic, and murderous. His needs were sexual and violent. For Markoff to be himself, he gave into his true self, which was a murderer. Markoff was described as thrill-seeking and dangerous. He had a craving for power, sex, and control. It seems as though he gave into these cravings by seeking sex online and murdering women. You could say his motivation was to fill the need to be in power and to be in control of these victims.